So, I don't think I've actually shown my S15 on the channel yet, so this will be a brief introduction, I guess. I would have liked to have done a quick video of it beforehand before I took it off the road for paint, but may chuck a cheeky clip in, I don't know. But I've been painting it in the background, so I've been working on the 13 mainly, but also in the background have been painting the 15. And I wanted to get a video of the paint process and reveal it then, but I've actually been recording quite a lot of footage and been doing a lot more than I thought was involved, because this is my first time actually painting a car properly, and props to all the painters. This is a very big process, but you guys and girls are awesome that do painting and you do it properly. So I was going to do a quick video of the whole process, but I've got enough footage to do a two-part, so I'll probably break it up and do part one, which is getting it to this stage of with the guy coat on and in primer, and then once it's all painted I will do the other part of the reveal and that, I guess, with what color I went. Ooh. But yeah, this is my S15. Had the car for about 3 years, and yeah, it's finally getting the exterior love that it deserves, because I've spent my life savings on the motor, and yeah, may upset a few people, but the SR20 is gone and replaced with the RB. So I will do a build breakdown on the car after it's all back together. So one thing I don't even think I filmed, and was probably the most crucial, is to get such a clean line. My painter friend Jeremy has taped the whole car up to the line, taped it, and has been sanding the whole way, but not actually on the line itself, to keep it as sharp as possible. And again, it's something I've never even thought about, but what a difference it's made. This is with primer on it as well, which is a lot thicker, but man, just to give it such a sharp line, it's such a good idea, and I'll definitely be taking it with all my cars. But it's so easy to lose this line by sanding, but by taping it up, masking, and just sanding up to the line, it really makes it pop and stand out. So I'm very excited about that. He's done an incredible job on the car and taught me so much already, so very keen. So the kit is all on. Testing out, we're on the old wheels still. Side skirts haven't been mounted yet, but they'll be painted. Everything's all together. Boots off, getting repaired. And now I have to start the fun process of removing all these plastic trims here, and down low too. So because I've got a guy coming out to take the windows. So I've got to take all the plastic trims out, so that's going to be fun. And then I've also got to take the bonnet off and remove this plastic piece here too for the windshield, because it's going to take all the glass out, and then that way we can paint it properly. I leave this one off permanently because I hate people, so I don't need people back. That little section there just pops out, and there's all these clips around the side. Get your seat belts off, take the trim, but oh my goodness, this is so painful, because now I think, I've never done this before and I have no idea, but I think I need to take that bolt off there for the seat hinge, and just to get this little tiny thing here, this little glass. Oh, I hate cars. I have so much respect for painters that do it properly, but Jesus, it just keeps going. Now a good trick to remember where everything is put the bolts back in the thread, and that way you don't lose it and you know what needs to go where. So we have that one that goes there. There's one just down here in the front that we'll also lock in. Also had to take the parcel shelf out and the brake light, so we can get to this piece here. And just like that, we have got our last piece off. So now grants easy access around the window, but what a mission. And now we have to do the other side. That box is full of interior trims already. So now comes the fun part of removing this plastic trim here. My trusty impact to shatter my glass. You, the cigar she tells me.